Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to write better prompts for InVideo AI and get more accurate and useful results from your AI-generated videos. First, open InVideo AI and start a new video project. Before writing your prompt, decide exactly what you want the video to accomplish. Start with the main topic. Clearly explain what the video should be about and avoid using vague instructions. Next, describe your target audience. Tell InVideo AI whether the video is for beginners, professionals, customers, students, or another specific group. After that, explain the type of video you want to create. You can mention whether it should be a tutorial, explainer, marketing video, YouTube video, social media video, or another format. Now describe the tone and style. For example, you can ask for a professional, friendly, educational, energetic, or conversational presentation. Next, provide the important points you want the video to cover. List the main topics or steps so the AI knows exactly what information should be included. You can also describe the structure of the video. Ask for a strong introduction, organized main sections, supporting visuals, and a clear conclusion. If you have specific visual requirements, include those in the prompt as well. Tell the AI what type of images, video clips, graphics, or other visuals would work best. You can also mention the voiceover style. For example, ask for a clear and natural narration that is easy for your audience to understand. Avoid putting unrelated instructions into one prompt. Keep your requirements organized so the AI can interpret them more effectively. Once your prompt is complete, submit it and let InVideo AI generate the video. When the result is ready, review it carefully. Check whether the script, visuals, voiceover, and scene structure match your original instructions.
Step out, but I really
If the
needed a skin
result isn't what
reset.
you
So I tried
expected,
that viral.
don't simply start over with a completely different idea. Improve your prompt by adding more specific details or correcting unclear instructions. You can then generate or edit the video again and compare the result. Finally, preview the complete video and make any necessary adjustments to the script, visuals, voice, subtitles, and music. By writing clear, specific, and well-structured prompts,